Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, Kono Pro. So this video right here, I'm building a custom bench. Now when I saw this I-beam at the steel yard, I knew I had to buy it. So I just went and got it, purchased it. It's a salvaged I-beam. And then I went ahead and removed all the rust. And you saw that beauty. It says New York Steel, USA. Pretty cool. Could not see that. So then we got a piece of cedar. Got a huge piece of cedar. 16 inches wide, 4 inches thick, and then we basically cleaned it off, and then we hit it with our sander, and then we put it on top of the I-beam, scribed the bottom, so that way the I-beam is somewhat notched. And we went ahead and made our bow ties out of steel. It's 1/8 steel. We made our bow ties. Then we went ahead and drilled holes in our bow ties, 1/2 inch, and then we went through, scribed all of our bow ties, and then we drilled our holes down. And then we went through with our router, routed out all our bow ties so we can set them flush. Then once we did that, we cleaned everything up. We dry fit all the bow ties and make sure they all fit nicely. And then we took this marker right here, it's a chalk marker, and we went ahead and marked through our beam down to our I-beam. And then we went ahead and welded on 1/2 inch rods. These are just standard 1/2 inch steel rods. We welded them on to the I-beam, cleaned up the welds, that way our top sits flush. Then we went ahead and set all of our bow ties like that, and then we're going to weld everything. All right, we're using a stick welder. We're going to tack everything in. You can see the outside one, I didn't use a shield, and then got the wood a little burnt, and then I used the shield on the inside one. But then I liked the way it looked, so I went ahead and tagged that outside one without the shield, so it gives it that same kind of look. Then I'm cleaning it up, taking an angle grinder. First I was using a regular steel blade, and then I went ahead and switched it out with the 40 grit angle grinding polishing wheel, and we got all that completely cleaned up. You can still see some of the rods, so I went through and spot welded those again, like I'm doing right here. That way when I grind it down, you don't see any of the welds. And now the reason why I'm doing this, because this is actually what's holding my bench top down to the I-beam. Okay, so this is actually what's locking it in to the I-beam. Or, yeah, exactly. Our bench top is locked into the I-beam this way, I should say. So then I'm taking a polishing wheel. Once I have everything sanded, I hit it with this polishing wheel, and it's so much friction that it gives it almost like a burnt look, which I really like. So now I'm taking some 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch square tube steel, and I took some 1/8 inch steel and just cut some caps, welded it on, tack welded along the edge. Then I'm gonna go through and polish the edge, get them as clean as possible. Then I'm gonna weld these. These are feet for the bottom of the I-beam, so the I-beam stays stable. There we are, welding them on. Once we have everything welded on right here, we're going to clean everything up with the angle grinder. Then we're going to wipe it down, dust it off. And then we're going to hit it with some automotive steel clear coat. This stuff is really great right here. It's a Rust-Oleum product. You can see right there, it's an automotive clear gloss. And we spray the bottoms, we spray everything that's steel with this product. And that way it's completely clear coat, it's completely sealed, so that way we won't get rust, we won't get any kind of patina. You know, you can go through and seal it if it's outside every couple of years, but if it's inside, you'll probably never have to seal this again like this. Now we're taking some super glaze, we're going to mix it up as equal parts A and B. We're going to mix it all into one cup, and then we're just going to put it on. You can use a squeegee, you can use a couple different things, but I just like to use just a standard, that basically that wooden stick right there, the mixing stick, and I just use it, get it on real nice and thick, and then I actually take a paintbrush. You can use a Purdy, you know, a Wooster, whatever you want to use, and then I hit it with a fine brush like that, and just go through and smooth it out. You got to do it really quick before it starts tacking up to hit it with the brush, and there you go. Nice and clean, cool, custom bench. You'll never probably see a bench like this anywhere on the planet. Now this bench right here It's going for $4,500. I've already got a couple offers. But if you like this and this is cool to you, shoot me an email and we can talk. If not, remember to give me that thumbs up regardless. I appreciate you watching, and if you found some value in this video, you might want to consider subscribing. That would be cool. Thanks for watching. Conan Bro out.